Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Cherokee's rear wiper. Keeping your rear visibility clear is crucial for safe driving, and a worn wiper blade can significantly reduce that. This simple guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently. You'll find that replacing your rear wiper is a straightforward maintenance item, requiring no specialized tools. First, let's remove the old wiper blade. Begin by gently lifting the small pivot cap located at the base of the wiper arm. Once that's up, you can fully raise the entire wiper arm away from the rear window. Now, grasp the old blade firmly and rotate it away from the arm. You'll feel a small pin or clip release, allowing the blade to slide off the arm easily. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. Now, let's install your brand new wiper blade. Take your new blade and align its connector with the end of the wiper arm. You'll see a small pivot pin on the blade that needs to slide into the opening on the arm. Once aligned, gently push the blade onto the arm. Apply firm, even pressure until you hear and feel it snap securely into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's properly seated. With the new blade installed, it's time to finalize the process. Carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. Then, snap the pivot cap at the base of the arm back into its closed position. Finally, hop into your vehicle and test the new wiper blade using your washer fluid. Enjoy your clear rear view.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.